Okay, I just thought I would come back real quick and show you a quick sauerkraut update on the cabbage. Just take a look at it. It's been 2 weeks. As you can see, it all looks good. No mold on the top, and if there was mold, we just take and scrape it off. Now it's time for a taste test. Pull up our little cabbage leaf that we put on there. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. Alright, well I just thought I'd bring you an update on the sauerkraut, see where it was at. And after 2 weeks, I gotta tell you, this is ready to go into the fridge. It's done fermenting. It'll still ferment even though it's in the refrigerator, but it'll slow it up considerably. Just gonna wanna go ahead and move our cabbage leaf. Discard that. And then we're just gonna wanna put on our mason jar lid and throw it in the refrigerator. Screw it on there tight. That's it, all done. Sauerkraut finished. Man, that tastes so good. All right, just wanted to check in with you and show you where we were at with the sauerkraut and how it turned out, what it looked like, what it looks like. This turned out fantastic. Go ahead and try this at home. You won't regret it. This is super, super good. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button wherever it's at in one of these corners. And until I see you again, later.